The Dean's Forum course on access to justice and dispute resolution, unique to the College of Law at the University of Saskatchewan, has, since 2014, offered law students a rare experiential learning opportunity to contribute to justice policy alongside justice and community stakeholders, including leading members of the legal profession. We asked a group of Dean's Forum students and alumni, how has the Dean's Forum course impacted you or helped prepare you as one of tomorrow's lawyers? And why are you passionate about the initiative?
Okay, whenever you're ready.
You can read the Cromwell Report or CBA's Equal Justice Report and try to appreciate, at least intellectually, what access to justice is all about. But being part of an initiative that comes in response to the many calls of action in those reports is both a gratifying and enlightening experience. I now appreciate what justice reform can actually look like, and hopefully I gained that perspective before even entering the profession myself. So not only did I improve my communication skills and my teamwork skills through the Dean's Forum, and not only did I make major strides forward and feeling like I belonged at the table, but now when I enter the profession, I'm gonna have a better idea of what my client needs and what the public needs more broadly.
The Dean's Forum taught me that being aware of issues and access to justice is not enough. It's not going to fix these major problems that we're facing because it's really not a passive process. It'll take real change in the way that future lawyers are thinking about access to justice, and I want to be at the forefront of that shift. The Dean's Forum felt like I was taking my first step away from this passive learning and my first step towards action, and that was really impactful because I feel like law really is taking action and trying to correct things that you're just not happy about in the way the world works. Law's not insulated from the rest of the world. It's interconnected with communities, and it really means that everybody should be involved in that process. Law really doesn't just belong to lawyers, it belongs to everyone, and I think that's one lesson that I'm really going to take into my practice of law to ensure that I'm serving my clients the best way that I can.
The way the Dean's Forum prepared me to become one of tomorrow's lawyers is by giving me a voice and a seat at the table alongside leaders of our justice system. Those behind the Dean's Forum recognize that reimagining the justice system to address the access to justice crisis is the type of challenge that benefits from broad perspectives, including those of tomorrow's lawyers and leaders. In this way, rather than simply provide me with theory and tools to contribute at some future time, the Dean's Forum gave me a voice now and embraced me as a vital member of the justice system of today.
Participation in the Dean's Forum was an exceptional experience for me. As someone who has and continues to enjoy working with the public, putting the public first is a great initiative for me to help out with, and one that continues to shape my work as an articling student and will carry on through my work as a young lawyer. Access to justice remains a large issue, and there are a number of organizations across the city, too numerous to name, that continue to provide these services. We had the fortune of learning this through our participation in the Dean's Forum, but must continue to make the public aware of these services in order to expand the reach of access to justice initiatives. Equally as important is the ability to work with the community from the perspective of those most affected by existing gaps in the system.
Okay, we're really proud of the Dean's Forum initiative at the College of Law and the very unique opportunity it provides our students to work alongside key stakeholders in the justice system in Saskatchewan. Okay. One of the most exciting outcomes of the Dean's Forum, however, is the creation of a Centre for Access to Justice Research. This centre will be used as a focal point for research and analysis that will help in implementing access to justice initiatives on an even larger scale. By working collaboratively, we can and we will improve access to justice for everyone in Saskatchewan.